Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. You will be creating a multi-component design, as you can see from the picture here, a storage box. So in this video you will only understand what a multi-component design is, then you will create a project and name it, then you will create 3 components to get ready to do the project itself. So let's get started. Okay, so go to your LMS, the plan, go to week 6 and download the student's book from here. So this is your student book. So in this project you will create this storage box. As you can see here, this is from the home view. If you want to turn it around, you just click on the corner here, this corner, the other corner. So this is the view of the box. As you can see here, this is the storage box. You can see that under this storage box, this is the project name or the file name here. We have 3 other components. So this is component number 1, component number 2, and component number 3. So as you can see here, we have 3 main components. So there are 3 main things you need to put into consideration when dealing with the browser here. First of all, there is an arrow. So this arrow here shows what is inside it. So inside the storage box there is the document setting, okay, and all of those files related to the storage book. So if you click on the arrow here, you can see what is inside this component. Okay, this is number 1. Number 2, there is an eye here. If you want to make the component disappear, so you just click on the eye here. So this means that the main box now disappear. If you want to see it again, you just click again on the eye. If you have the old version, it will be the light here, if it's on or if it's off. So last thing, since you are dealing here with multi-components body, so this is 1 component, this is the 2nd component, and this is the 3rd component. So you have multi components here. If you want to work on a specific component, what do you have to do? So it's easily, you just need to click on the corner here. If you click on the corner, you will have a circle. Just click on the circle. So now I'm working on the whole design here. Okay, now if I want to work only on the main box, what I will do, I will go to the main box. This is the main box. See if there's no circle. If I go there, there will be circle, and then I will click, give it 1 click. Then just double click like this. You can now work on the main box. You can see that the other components become transparent here. If you want them to disappear totally, to not see them at all, you just click on the eyes here. They will be removed. So if I click on the eye, this does not mean that I deleted the file or the component, but it means just I don't want to see them. I can put them back again at any time. Okay, so now it's disappeared. Why it's disappeared? Because your focus here is on the main box here. Now if I want to work on the lid, I will just click on the lid, and then I will go double click like this. See, now I can work on the lid. And if I want to the box and everything here to disappear, what I have to do, just off here. And that's it. Now you have a better understanding on how to deal with multi-component design. This is more than 1 cube built together. So this consists of these 3 cubes here. So now let's follow the steps in the box to create this storage box here. Okay, so first of all, go to, if you don't have this one here, you just go to this show data panel. You just go back to the home view here. Okay, just go to the home view, or if you have an arrow here to go back, then you click on new project, and this new project, call it storage box, and then put your name and your class, and then click on enter. Okay, now you have this project here. You need to create a new design, so go to new design here and save it inside this project. So the location here will be inside this project. So here let's call it the box and then your name. Don't forget to write your name. So now we've created our design and we saved it in one project. This is one. The second step here is to make the other component. So as you can see here, it consists of one lid and one main box. So let's create them. Go to here, right click and click on new component. Here you write the name, which is the main box, and then click on OK. So now see here you have your new component with origin. You need another component as well. Go to the main one, click here, make sure that you click here, and then from here you go and create another component. Here this is component 2. I will show you how to name it from the other side. If you forget to name it from here, just click on OK, and here just double click and give it a name. Okay, after you click, of course, here you just double click and give it a name. So this is the lid or the cover. Okay, and then enter. So now we have two main components here. So now you have to add the last pen here, the last component, which is this pen. Just let me show it to you. So I will click this black circle here and I will hide everything else, and I will double click on here. So this is the pen. You need to add it to your project here. So I need to add this component here. I could do it from scratch, but it will take a long time. So that's why sometimes it's better to have ready designs and just upload them here. So I will show you how to do so. Go to page number 47 and here is the link. Just give it one click. You will find this link in the book, or you can find it in the description here when I will upload the video. Okay, so let's give it one click here, download. So the file here is downloaded. Now let's go to Vusion and click on File, Open. Then choose Open from my computer. Go to Download, just double click here. So now this is the pen created for you. It is open in new design. So now you need to save it as a component so you can easily drag it to your main design, which is here. Okay, so you want to drag it here, right? So to do so, you have first to save it. Just click on save and then you will find it here. Now you can change it to only pen, or you can save it as it is. So here you need to save it in the right project, which is storage box. Finally click save. Now you can close the pen from here, and here is your main document. So go to your project. So now you can see the pen is saved here for you. So when you finish your design, you just need to drag it here and it will be saved here. Okay, but for now we don't need it. Right click and then click on insert into the current design. So there is two ways to add any ready component. So for now let's just undo this. So that's it. You understand now how to deal with multi-component design, also how you can add new design here to your project, and you created a project with your name and you inserted a new design here. So in the next video you will create the box with the sketches. So good luck.